Hello folks, Mdex, we just made 270% profit. I shared this trade in the private list on October 10. We bought this coin for 6 cents and you put a sell order at 23 cents, 270% profit. Guys, in order to find those pumps, my software calculates volume spike plus buyer power. You got a volume spike on October 7, you see this big candle here, in October 8. That was a confirmation, okay? Guys, by the way, volume spike plus buyer power. The software is not for sale, guys. Stop asking me, all right? Private list today, talk about Alchemy Pay, Mdex, Falcon Swap, Infinity Launch, ONSTON, Ripple Finance, 630% profit. That's how you make money. You make money trade penny coins, guys. In order to get those trades on the real time, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Now let's talk about Bitcoin. Like I mentioned before, we just hit the resistance right here and it might go up. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com.